friends. Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a deposit. To create deposit, follow these steps. Okay. First of all, to create a deposit, you will need to create a customer. So just go to profile, click on create profile, create a customer first. Okay, to create a customer first you will need a group. So I don't have a group here either. So I'm just going to go quickly to group management and create a group here. So I create a Pune group. Okay, so first create a customer in Pune group. Okay, go here, select Pune group and save this. Now you've created a customer. The customer is saved with the file number, or it is saved with the name as well. So if you click in search here, if you click the name of the customer, you will get the customer. Customer is listed here. Okay, now you can create a deposit. So first thing, to create a deposit you need to create the customer. Once the customer is created, you search for the customer from here. Okay, and click on the deposit button here. Or another way is you click here and you will see there is create deposit. Okay, both of them are the same functionality. There are other ways also. If you go to customer on list, if you refresh, you will see the customer here and the file number. Just click on the file number and it will take you to the customer, and then you can create the deposit from here, or as I showed you, from the star icon. Now here there are different types of deposits. You can whichever deposit you are creating, you can click. For example, I'm creating a recurring deposit. You enter your installment amount, yearly rate of interest. Okay, here there is compounding. I'm going to keep compounding not applicable, but you can have here, there are different options which says compounding daily, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, flat rate. So you can select as per your need. And here you can do it for 12 months, or you can do it yearly, quarterly, monthly, daily, whatever. And how are you going to do this? By cash or bank? Say cash. You can do it by bank as well. Here you click the start date. The start date is the date when your deposit is going to start. Okay, just if you're taking any fees or charges, you can add them here. Okay, and you can just calculate and click on save. So you will see here deposit 1 is saved successfully. All the deposits are searched with the suffix D-1. Okay, so you will see here that one recurring deposit is created for this customer. In this deposit you will see that this is the schedule of the deposit here, that is 100 rupees per month. Okay, for 12 months. Okay, once you receive all of these 12 months, like you receive for 100 rupees for the next 12 months, you can pay the maturity through here. Let me just show you, give me a minute. Here, settlement and pay. So you can pay the maturity from here. You can select you want to pay through cash or through bank, and then pay the deposit with the maturity, that is 1277 rupees. So this is how you create a deposit. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.